Yo, what's up? It's DX. I just got this car yesterday. I paid hold on. Where's this? Where's this? I'm gonna pull it. It's a 1989 Mercury Grand Marquis. I went and bought it yesterday, right around the corner over there. But dude, let me tell you something. See that Mustang down there? Oh my gosh, that mug is nice. Straight what? 1995 or 9? I'm just say a 90s Mustang GT, and it's another one further down there. I think that's the boss. But his be in the garage, man. Both of them mugs is nice, and it's a dude right there next to me, right there with the lights on his head. He got a 2005, 2006 Mustang. That shit is nice, man. Like, man, if y'all want to sell them mugs to me, go ahead. And this nigga right here keep passing by this little moped, motorcycle shit. Guess this nigga just having fun. Anyway, wait till he pass by. But yeah, it's of course it's not the perfect car. I didn't wash it yet, but I did clean the trunk out and clean the inside. There was so much dirt in here. Where my key? I basically been out here all day cleaning this mug. I woke up, went and fixed me and my son something to eat. Came out here, started tried to see if I can crank the car up. I can't crank it up because it needs a new battery, or at least need to charge my battery and get that shit off there, that stuff off there. Anyway, see, I cleaned the trunk straight out, man. Cleaned everything out. I got the spare tire right here. I should spray some in here so it can smell good, just like the inside of the car. But there was so much dirt, all these leaves and dirt all up on the bottom. The tire was up here and shit. The speaker things, the factory speakers on. It's a bunch of space to put some speakers back here, though, some 15s or something. Let's see that. But yeah, I cleaned it out. There was so much trash, radios and shit back here. Cleaned it out, put all this shit in the garage. Put the fuck, I forgot the name of that shit, man. Oh well. But yeah, 1989. See, it's old, 1989, but it still run good. But oh, it smells so good in here after I done cleaned it. Oh my gosh. I took the bottom seat out. I took this back seat out. All the dirt. Bunch of dirt and shit back there, man. I cleaned all that shit out, man. I was like, oh. I sweeped it and vacuumed it. Sweep the front and vacuum the front. I had to put this bottom panel door, this door panel shit, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I had to screw that back down because the nigga took it off. I put the little, I guess I can call these pockets. I had to put these back up on here. I'm going to try to fix these later. And fix this lock. I ain't going to tell you what's wrong with it, but yeah. It's a good car. It got a nice classy feel to it, but it's not a classic. Its sister, Crown Victoria, is a classic. 1989 Crown Victoria something is a classic. Why didn't I clean it out, man? I forgot about that. Fucking ashtrays all around this car, and I don't like that. I don't smoke. I don't need that shit. But yeah, I got this for about $5.50. He said whatever. He took some stuff out the trunk. And he said whatever else is in there, you can keep it and do whatever you want with it. Whatever else is in the car, you can keep it and do whatever you want with it. I was like, okay, that's cool. That's cool. I need to fix this. This speaker up here, I think, yeah, this speaker don't work. This one works. The back two works. So it's the inside, the interior, and some extra stuff is better than what my old car was. Both of the cars ran good. This one just needs a new battery, or charge my battery and get it cleaned off and shit. But both of the cars ran good. In comparison, this one looks better to drive, and it seems like it'll be more reliable for if you had some friends or people with you. I'm letting all the air out, letting the good smell out, man. The AC works. The heater didn't work in my other car. The heater works in this one though. What else didn't work? In the other car, none of the windows had motors in them, except this one. Well, no, my bad. In the Crown Victoria that I had, all of the windows let down except for this one. This one didn't have a motor in it. In this car, all of the windows have motors in them. They just got to be placed right. And this one comes down, but none of the other windows come down. But I'm not worried about letting the windows down because it's so goddamn cold outside, man. As you can see, this fake wood grain shit up on here. I like wood grain. I like that wood grain feel. But you can tell it was supposed to be something right here, but the nigga took it off or something. Nigga, when you got a man, if I had a car like this, if this was my car back then, I sure would have took care. Because I like class. I love class. And I love classic cars, man. But this dude, when you turn the car on, I can't turn it on right now because I don't have the battery in it. I took it out. When you turn the car on, oh my gosh, it has that nice feel to it. I understand cars nowadays, these new cars are like way better, but oh my gosh, it just when you turn this car on and you driving it, just got that feel to it, man. You just got that feel to it that you just fall in love with the car and you just want to take care of it, man. Well, that's how I feel about it. Anyway, I had to put some stuff back up on the car that the guy took off. I had to clean it out and everything, make it smell good, make it smell right. I want to get a new steering wheel thingy to put up on here because this one, first for one, it's ugly, and then it got cuts and crap up on it. So if I'm trying to turn the steering wheel, my hand come across one of these tears or whatever, I'm gonna be like, what was that? And I'm gonna end up messing up and then gonna end up crashing again. Other than anything else, the car runs good. It runs good. I mean, some things bother me. I believe it's because of the wreck I had got in. I feel like I'm scared to drive anything. This is the first car that I actually drove down the street since the wreck. I mean, yeah, I got in my mom's car and I moved it out the way. I got my brother's car, I moved it out the way. Got it out the park and got it out the driveway. And then put it back in the driveway, but I didn't go around the street to the corner where traffic was. In this car, I had to go put some gas in the car. And I was scared. I feel like anything could happen at any time. I feel like if I pressed down on the gas some more, the tires was gonna spin out and flip over and hit another car. And I thought I pressed on the gas, engine was gonna blow up. Man, I don't know what to think. I felt like, if I try to park the car, the mud gonna get out of park and go and drive, and I ain't gonna know what. Man, I was thinking of some stupid shit, man. I was just thinking of some stupid stuff, but I went and got some gas. I need to clean. I'm not done cleaning. Like I said, I need to clean the dash off. When I clean it off, it's gonna look so much better and so much more classy. I'm gonna love the car, but I'm not gonna love it that much because it's not. I don't know. But it has a great feel to it. To me, it does. Clean all of this off. In my Crown Vic, this was the only speaker. It had speakers on the door, and this was the only speaker that worked. Ooh, a CD. What the? It's fucking trash. Oh my gosh. It had door speakers. This was the only speaker that worked. The only speaker. It didn't have no speakers back there in the back, and the speaker over here didn't work. But in this car, this speaker doesn't work, but this one in the back too work. And I think it's because of the battery. If I turn the radio up too loud, the radio gonna cut off and reset. But that could be the radio itself. But yeah, I got another radio in the garage with the touch screen radios, remote and all that. I'm cool. I clean this rearview mirror off, but it's a nice car. I like it. Not, I'm not sure. Still not sure if I got my money's worth, but I guess we'll find it out later. I guess I should spray it again. So get that smell good. Hit that mug with some of that smell good. Get some of this shit fixed up on it. Some of the dents out. I'm good. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out.